So welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna do an AWS serverless expense tracker using AWS QuickSight, where I would be trying to insert the paraquat file into S3 bucket, and from there we would be taking the paraquat file and we would be converting that metadata into a table format using AWS Studio and AWS Crawler. And from there, taking the tabular data, we would be going to Athena. In Athena, we would be trying to query the data using several SQL queries. From there, we would be trying to save the result into an S3 bucket. And afterwards, we would be again uh, going to AWS website, and there we would be trying to visualize the expenditure of AWS instances. So that's a project. Let's go ahead. So first, let me create an S3 bucket. So let me go to an S3 bucket page. Yeah. So we create a bucket for a general purpose. Yeah, just give it a second. Yeah. So now let me create a bucket known as AWS billing data tracker, and disabling the bucket versioning and all these settings. Let these settings be default. And now default encryption, create a bucket. So we have AWS billing tracker. Now upload the files. And now let me go to my files folder. Just a minute. Yeah, sorry for the delay, guys. Now let's go ahead. We'll do this one. Okay. Now let me go to add files and go to desktop and into this and create a monthly file. And this is the paraquat file which I'm choosing right now. Right? Upload. So now I've uploaded my paraquat file. I'm uploading it. So it's getting uploaded. The paraquat file also successfully uploaded now. And we can visualize the paraquat file here in this particular. Yeah, this is our paraquat file. Yeah, it's getting down there. So this is our barcode file, and we have inserted that into our AWS bucket. And the next process would be after creating an bucket, we need to create an AWS Glue console. We need to go to AWS Glue console and create a Glue database, which we will be doing right now. Let's go to AWS Glue. So now we are going to AWS Glue. And Now we will be trying to create an AWS Glue database. Yeah. Yeah. So here we need to click add database and we need to name the database. Uh, so we can now name the database as billing data BB and we create the database. After creating the database, open the database. Now we would be creating an crawler. You need to go to crawler, create a crawler. Let me go to select the name a crawler and yeah. Let's go to next. Let's add in source. We'll be adding in source from an S3 bucket. So we need to browse S3. Yeah. So this is our output file. We are choosing the output file. So we have created it, and this is optional. Yes. And then source and next. So we need to create an IAM role. Yeah, I've already created an IAM role to access the bucket. So I'm giving that IAM role, and next choose the database. We have already created a database, so we will be using that database. And let's just see, yeah, all services are correct and now create the crawl. So now we have successfully created the crawler and now we would run the crawler to retrieve the table. So attempting to start one crawler, we can do this. The crawler is getting started. Let's run it. Let us wait for a while. It will take a time to time in the fetch from that file because the patience on that. So meanwhile, let me explain the advantage of this project. Using the QuickSight, you would be able to perform cost optimization. We can see the FinOps is being very high demand role in industry nowadays. The cost optimization for different cloud resources is crucial in organizations. So achieving an data visualization about resource and cost optimizing the unnecessary resources and only launching them when need would really save the money and time and efficiency of the resources. Yeah, yeah. Now it's completed. So now, Now we can go to Athena console. Let us go to Athena console. The data resources, AWS catalog, billing database. Yeah, excuse me. Now we have selected the database. We have selected it as AWS cloud, and now let us run the query in Athena. So now I'm running a query in Athena. Just give me a second. One second. We need to keep a building table name. Go to AWS queue. We need to go to tables. I think there is some problem with one.